Welcome to Surah, the divine synchronization. This video is a journey through history and prophecy, exploring the story of how the Quran predicted the impossible and bound the fate of two empires to the rise of Islam. In 603 AD, Persian king Khosrow Parvez declared war on Rome. The conflict became a political crusade of Magian fire worship versus Christianity. In 610 AD, the same year Emperor Heraclius took power in Rome, Muhammad ﷺ was blessed with prophethood in Mecca. Between 613 and 616 AD, Rome experienced a devastating collapse. Persia captured Jerusalem, destroyed the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and massacred 90,000 Christians. The Persians occupied Jordan, Syria, and Palestine, reaching the gates of Constantinople. This victory caused the polytheists of Mecca to rejoice, taunting the Muslims. The fire worshippers have crushed the people of the book. Idol worshippers will crush the monotheists. Simultaneously, Muslims were forced to migrate to Abyssinia to escape persecution. Against all odds, Surah ayahs 2-4 declared a prophecy. The Romans have been defeated in the nearby land, but after their defeat, they will be victorious. In a few years, historians at the time deemed survival for Rome impossible, yet the Quran declared victory inevitable. The Meccans mocked the prophecy. Ubay bin Khalaf challenged Abu Bakr to a bet. Based on the Prophet's instruction, the wager was set at 100 camels if Rome did not win within 9 years. Bid. This set a tangible, public deadline for divine truth. As the deadline approached, the geopolitical plates shifted. In 622 AD, the Prophet migrated to Medina. Simultaneously, Emperor Heraclius launched a secret counteroffensive, sailing via the Black Sea to attack Persia from the rear. 624 AD became the year of two victories. The prophecy was fulfilled exactly within the specified period. Muslims achieved their first decisive victory at the Battle of Badr, and Heraclius invaded and destroyed Clurumia, the birthplace of Zoroaster, leveling the greatest fire temple of the empire. As the Quran states, "And on that day, the believers will rejoice." The total collapse of Persia soon followed. In 627 AD, the Romans decimated Persian forces at the Battle of Nineveh. A year later, King Khosrow was imprisoned, and his sons executed before his eyes. In 628 AD, the Muslims also secured a manifest victory with the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. The circle completed in 629 AD. Heraclius personally walked into Jerusalem to restore the true cross, and the Prophet performed Umrah al-Qada in Mecca. Ubay bin Khalaf's heirs admitted defeat, and Abu Bakr collected the 100 camels and gave them all to charity, as gambling was now forbidden. The Quran recounts this war to illustrate the difference between Zahir, apparent, and Batin, hidden reality. Humans calculate based on visible factors like soldiers and wealth, by which Rome seemed defeated. But Allah controls the hidden engines of history, and a divine decree can reverse the most obvious outcomes. The Meccans bet on the apparent winner and lost. They focused on this worldly life dunya, while denying the unseen hereafter akhirah. This same miscalculation is the fallacy of materialism, neglecting the unseen reality that determines true victory. Surah shifts focus from political history to nature. Just as Allah sends rain to revive dead earth, He sends revelation to revive dead hearts. The political revival of Rome was a sign, but the spiritual revival of Arabia through Islam was the greater reality. Both proceed from the same divine will. The conflict of empires and the corruption of the world result from shirk, polytheism, and deviating from nature, fitrah. True stability, for empires and individuals, is found only in aligning with the one true Creator. The rise and fall of nations are not random, it is a moral cycle overseen by Allah.